Welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel, guys. Today we're featuring another new for 2022 Hot Wheel. This is a Nissan Z, which is supposed to be named Z400. That replaced Z370 and replaced the 370 replaced 350. So this is how 370 looked like. Nevertheless, this was not my cup of tea, the 370 car. I don't know why, but I don't really like that design. So, like I said, this is number 124 out of 250. Nissan Z Proto, which means prototype. Factor fresh, 5 out of 10. The reason they did prototype, they called it because of the grill. The design of this car was a little controversial. To be honest, I do agree with that. I do like the design. It's nice, sleek, 90s style car, 80s. Nevertheless, the reason why, because this is Nissan Z300. Uh, so what they did, they brought back the rear taillights. Kind of made it look similar as 300Z. The front, they made it from Datsun 280, which this is how it looked like. Well, nevertheless, this is the reason why they call it prototype, because if you look at 280, their grill was flat, square, not square, but rectangle. So they made it the same in here, which, to be honest, doesn't fit the design. This car is nice. I like the eyelashes, headlights that look like eyes, like eyelashes. So 2 pair 5-spoke wheels. But like this car is a sleeper. Let's just put it that way. Have some people say it's not like a muscular car like bring it on, let me rev the engine. Kind of like a Shelby Mustang that looks like bring it on. Let's tear some asphalt. This is like nice sleeper car, gentle, nice little smooth lines. The only thing that screws up a little bit is the rectangle grille. So what they did is they did a launch edition of only 250 cars of the Protos that looked like it was a concept car, the prototype. And then they modified a little bit, and they're gonna make a regular car, Nissan 400Z, with a modified front grille that will look a little better than just how it looks. But nevertheless, that's why this is Proto. So, just so this was a little history of a car history, and this is a overview of the Hot Wheel. As you see, it's nice and yellow, good details, black interior, tinted windows. So, good. Pay attention to details. Oh, here's a 90s car, Nissan 300Z, which I still like up to now these days. Maybe one of these days should get as a collector car for this. Maybe. Well, nevertheless, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time.